Intermediates, how are you? It's me, Jen, and I'm here today to do your workbook with you. So, today is Marvelous Monday, and here is our Monday book. Now remember, you always need your pencil. And how do we hold our pencil? Birdie's beak. And if you need reminding of what that looks like, come on over, take a look right here. That's your hand, and that's your fingers, and that's the pencil and how to hold it. Ready? Grip your pencil. Let's go to page 1. So on page 1, we have the name page. And on the name page, my name is highlighted right there. You will take your pencil and trace over your name. Now, if you need time, press pause, and when you're ready, press play. The next page, we have to circle which picture goes with the first picture. Here you have a bee. What does a bee need? A bee needs a boat, a flower, or a dog. That's right. A bee needs a flower, so circle the flower. Good job. Let's go to the next one. We have a bird. What does a bird need? Does a bird need a nest, a bone, or a mouse? That's right. A bird needs a nest. We circle nest. Now let's go to the next row. What goes with pants? Do you wear pants with a baby, a bed, or a shirt? That's right, a shirt. Let's circle shirt. You can finish that, and we'll go to the next page. Here we have a nice picture, and on this picture are dots. The dots have letters. So let's review our letters. At the bottom of the dot to dot page, all the way down here, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now that means our dot to dots will only start at A and go all the way and stop at I. That's a clue. Let's go back to the picture. Always find the first letter, A. So you will put your pencil on A, then go to the next letter. What comes after A? If you don't remember, look down at the bottom letter line, B. So draw a line from A to B. Let's do that. What comes after B? Go back down to the letter line. After B comes C. Draw a line from B to C. What comes after C? D. Draw a line to the letter that looks like D. Remember, even if you don't remember the names of the letters, you have eyes to see what it looks like. After D is this letter. Remember from last week? 1, 2, 3 is E. So let's draw a line from D to E. After E is F. Let's draw lines from E to F. After F is G. Draw a line from F to G. Good job. What comes after G? Let's look at our letter line. H. Excellent job. Let's draw a line from G to H. Now, after H comes I. Very good. So from H to I. Oh, I just saw something. We have one more letter to go. So we are going to draw the letter that comes after I is J. Whoops. J. other way. So go from I to J. And that's your dot to dot. Now look at the picture. What do you see? That's right, a bird. And the bird is inside its nest. Here are the sticks for the nest. So take your time. If you need more time, press pause. And when you're ready to do the next page, press play. The next page is our counting page. At the top, you have the number 4. Down and over and down some more. That's how you make a 4. Let's look at the first picture. We have tulips. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's look for the number 4. Down here are the numbers to circle. 2, 3, 4. We will circle 4. Now let's move over. We have 2 flowers. 1, 2. Let's look for the number 2 at the bottom. Oh, it's the first number, 2, because this is 3 and this is 4. So there are 1, 2 flowers. We circle the number that looks like that, 2. Great. Let's go down to sunflowers. We have 1, 2, 3. Now we must find the number 3 at the bottom. 2, 3. There it is. Circle 3 because the next number is 4. Over here we have roses. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, oh, and 4. Now let's find the number 4 at the bottom. 2, 3, 4. Let's circle 4. Excellent job. Take a look at your page. If you press pause and need more time, go ahead. The next page we have is a big picture. There are dots on it, and there are letters on top of the dots. Let's find out what letters we need. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Great job. Let's start. We always begin at the first letter of the alphabet, A. Find the A. Good. After A comes B. And after B comes C. After C comes D. After D comes E. After E we have F. After F we need G. After G, we have to go all the way down to H. After H, we go all the way down to I. After I, we go back up to the letter J. Great job. And you have a big kite. Looks like a box kite to me. Our next page looks really fun. We have a large jar. Inside the jar, we have shapes. These shapes look like a long stretched out circle. And a long stretched out circle is called an oval. Let's trace these ovals. Take your crayon or your pencil. Go around the ovals that have dashes. And there you go. Now you have a jar of jelly beans on your page. Our next page has a lot of things on it. They look like things that are flying up with long strings and streamers and ribbons. At the top of your page is a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good counting. The directions are color 8 kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, take a crayon, any color you want, and let's color. We need to color 1 kite, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And finally, we need one more because after 7 is 8. Let's check. Did you color 8 kites? We must count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are not counting these 2 because we only had to color 8. Great job. Let's go to the next page. This page looks real nice. We have 4 different pictures. Here is an oval. That's an egg. Now, when eggs start out, they are all one shape and smooth over here. So the egg looks like this first. When you talk about numbers in ordinal ways, 1 is first. So we put a 1. Now, what does the egg look like after that? When it's getting ready to hatch, it gets a little few cracks in it, right here. That means the chick is getting ready to come out. So after 1, the egg looks like this, so we will write 2, because 2 happens next. Now, after the egg cracks in 4 different places, 1, 2, 3, 4, the chick is able to pop its head out and peek. It used its beak to continue to crack the egg. And look, it can pop out on the top. So after 1 comes 2. After 2 comes 3. So we are going to write a 3. And next we go to the other picture. The chick already hatched from the egg. You no longer see an egg piece on top of the chick's head. It's gone. And now you can see the chick's feet. The bottom of the egg cracked and disappeared. And look, it's in pieces. So that is the next thing that the egg looks like. So after 3 is 4. We will write the number 4. Down and over and down some more. That's how you make a 4. Excellent job. You did a great job on your workbook. Now we can put it aside. Let's take a look at our calendar now. Come on over. So, the last time I saw you was Friday, but today is Marvelous Monday. It's still April, and it is a different date. Remember, dates are numbers. Here's April. Now let's find out what date it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today is April 6, and the year is still 2020. Let's sing the Days of the Week song to find out what day it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sunday, Monday, happy day. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy day. Thursday, Friday, happy day. Saturday was soccer day. Don't come to school. So if yesterday was Sunday, Sunday, Monday. That's right. So it is M for Monday, April 6th. Today it's sunny out. The sky is kind of clear. We do see a little bit of white clouds. We do see a little bit of white. But on a day like today, it's still not hot enough to wear shorts. So we still want to keep on a shirt and long pants, sneakers, and a jacket. Good job. Let's take a walk over to the alphabet wall. Here we are at the alphabet wall. The last time I saw you, we talked about the letter E. 1, 2, 3 is E. So right now, we're going to start at A, and let's find out what today's letter is. Ready to say the letters with me? Here we go, loud and proud. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Good job. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You said the whole alphabet. Take a look at the alphabet wall. You said all of these letters. Then you said all of these letters. If you want, you can look at all these letters and press pause. And you can practice saying it as many times as you want. But let's talk about this letter right here. Let me take it off the wall so you can have a better look. This is the letter F. You have one line coming down, another line going out, and another line going out. 2 lines is F. Now, F stands for a lot of things, but makes the sound F. So let's put it down and let's see. A frisbee begins with the letter F. Frisbee. Let's see, Jen. Throw the frisbee. Here we go. There it goes. Another thing that starts with the sound F is fruit. Now I have pretend fruit. Fruit, fruit. Whoops, fruit. Then there's also fried foods. Fried foods. Fried foods. Fried foods. Now let's take a look at what the small f looks like. You have big F, one line down, one line across, another line across. Big F, little f. It has a small curve and a small line. It almost looks like a candy cane. Big F, little f. Big F, little f. Great job. Now it's time to play a different game. Let's go over to the number wall. We already did the letter wall, and now let's count at the number wall. Here we go. There are a lot of numbers here. Let's start. When we count here, we start with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Today's number is 12. 1 in the front, 2 in back. Let me take that off the wall. Here we go. Let's look at it close up. Can you see it? You have 1 in the front. Trace it on your TV or your computer. 1 in the front. 2 in the back. 1 in the front, 2 in the back is 12. Oh, I think I need to count 12 things now, don't you? Let's see, what do I have to count? Here they are. I hope I have 12. Ready? Get set to catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good job. Let's see if we can count something else. We have our tools. 1, 2, 3. Are you counting with me? Don't stop. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is getting heavy. 9, 10. We still have more to go. 11 and 12. Great counting. You counted 12 tools and 12 tennis balls. I think it's time for another game. Let's walk over to the name wall and play the name game. Come on over. Go check for your name. Who is with me on Monday? Let's look at that wall. There are a lot of names. The name game, the name game. Let's play the name game. The name game, the name game. Let's all play. Let's look at all the names first. There are a lot. Now we will read and see who we've got. We have Luke, Olivia, Lexington, Jack, Zoe, James, Easton, Alexander, Nora, Alexander, Catherine, Carter, Connor, Samantha, Michael, Melania, Michael, Charlotte, another Michael, Sophia, Charlotte, and Mason. Thank you all for being with me today on Marvelous Monday for the name game. Now, I hope you found your name. Let's talk about the shapes today. Here on our shape wall, we have 2 shapes. And this one looks like something that was in our workbook today. It's not a circle, but it looks like a stretched out one. It's called the oval. The oval has no corners. The oval has no angles. It's a long stretched out circle, oval O, like an egg. And over here we have the rectangle. Sing the rectangle song with me. Long, short, long, short. Let's try it again. Ready? Long, short, short. Good job. That was the rectangle. Now, we want to talk about something else. We talked about ovals and things that are ovals. Let's talk about an egg. Look at these beautiful eggs. They are sparkly. They are shaped just like the oval over here. Let me bring it over there. Look at that. A long, stretched out shape is an oval. So, we have 2 oval eggs here. Sometimes they lay down because they cannot stand up. An oval-shaped egg cannot stand up because it has a round bottom. Look at the bottom. It's curved. It is not flat. It's curved. It is not flat. So, because it's curved and round, it will not stand up. It will fall to the side. Watch. Here's another one. It's also an oval. It's also an egg, but it's a lot smaller with a roundish curved bottom and a roundish curved top. Let's see if it stands. Up, it fell over. It is an oval. So, there are lots of things that grow in an egg. And if you remember, let's see if we can get that page back in our workbook to remember what we saw. Remember what was on the page? There was a picture of an oval egg. Oval, oval. The egg got cracks in it, and then something popped out. And when the egg opened up, a chick popped out. So these eggs opened, but there's nothing inside. This egg opens. Oh, I thought it did. Maybe not. This egg opened, but nothing inside. Let's try to open this egg. Nothing inside. That's because they're pretend eggs. These aren't real eggs. Real eggs come from chickens and other animals. Here is our puppet egg. We are pretending that this egg was laid by a chicken. A chicken lays an egg and then sits on it and waits for it to hatch. Hatch means something will come out of it. Just like in our workbook page, the egg was closed, the egg was cracked, then something hatched out of it. Hatched means the egg opens up and something comes out. Let's see what comes out of this egg. Now you see on this egg are lines. These are the pretend cracks. Remember, this is not a real live egg that was laid by a chicken. It's a pretend one so that I can show you. These cracks on here are to show you that the egg will pretend to break open. And what comes out of a real chicken egg if the chicken sat on it? Out comes a baby chick. There it is, look. Here it was in the egg. Then it popped out of the egg. In the egg. Let's close that up. And out. And that is how a chick comes out. Great job, everybody. All right, get ready to find a spot you like a lot because we'll do crisscross applesauce and story time.